Hello guys, I like to tell you why sometimes I choose Airbnb over hotels. One simple reason is space. In hotels we get a room. Yeah, you can definitely book suites where you get an extra sitting area or interconnecting room. But in that instance you end up paying a lot of price because hotels are expensive. Whereas if you go and choose an Airbnb, most of them comes with extra space and they get you kitchenette. That is the biggest advantage, where you can locally purchase foods from supermarkets and can prepare them or maybe microwave them. So that's a very big plus points. And also they have facilities like a washing machine, which is very important. Sometimes we travel for like 7 to 10 days and we have the need to wash some of our soil linen, which we can't do if we book hotel, because hotel linen laundries are very expensive. So these are the main major points to go for Airbnb. Also, if you feel like having the feeling of home away home, so in that perspective also Airbnb wins. So that is one thing. But the biggest drawbacks is most of these Airbnbs do not offer food, and that is a drawback for me, because during holidays I really think that if you get breakfast inclusive, that's a big luxury. But in between there's a category called apart hotels. They are like, they give you both the option. Now you can choose either of them. So apart hotels is like they give facilities of Airbnb, and on top they give you breakfast, sometimes even lunch and dinner is also inclusive. So that's a good category. I have stayed once in such a apart hotel and the experience was exclusive. So this time we have chosen Airbnb, and I'm highly satisfied with Antara Resorts, Antara Suites Residency, because today when we went out, we had a small water leakage problem. So we told the reception, and when we came back, we saw it's been resolved. Also, towels changed. The total apartment has been cleaned nicely. So the housekeeping is really good with this property. So I'm gonna leave them a good review in Google and other portals, because anyone who plans to come to Genting Highlands, I highly recommend them. They can stay in Antara Residency. And one more thing, if you want to see a mountain town and also with facility, then definitely visit Genting Highlands, because for two reasons. First is Malaysia is visa free, and Malaysia is very close to India. Like from Calcutta, it's a 4 hours flight. And Genting Islands, once you land in KL airport, you can catch a bus or a taxi, and 1.5 hours you will be in this beautiful resort mountain town, where you will get a lot of entertainment. Even they have multiplex movie theater, lot of restaurants, cable car rides, and lot of other facilities. Like you can see the beautiful casinos here, and they have a bar street which is very nice. And also today we went to Bukit Tinggi, which is also very beautiful. So if you choose to come and stay in Genting Highlands, I would say you can definitely consider this Antara residency, which is quite good, and it's definitely a one shot you can give.